Every year, Americans alone throw away an astonishing 13 billion pounds of paper towels, enough to fill 22,000 trucks. This staggering statistic raises an essential question. What is the true cost of our cleaning habits on the environment? As we wipe spills, clean surfaces, and dry our hands, we often overlook the environmental impact of the very products we use. The production and disposal of paper towels contribute significantly to deforestation, water pollution, and landfill overflow. In a world where sustainability is becoming increasingly critical, it is time to rethink our reliance on single-use paper products and explore eco-friendly alternatives that can help us reduce waste in our daily lives. The environmental issues tied to the production and disposal of paper towels are multifaceted. The process begins with the harvesting of trees, which not only contributes to deforestation, but also disrupts ecosystems and wildlife habitats. The manufacturing process itself is resource-intensive, requiring large amounts of water and energy, and often involves the use of harmful chemicals that can pollute waterways. Once used, paper towels are typically discarded, contributing to the vast amounts of waste that end up in landfills. Unlike many other paper products, paper towels are often not recyclable due to contamination from food and cleaning agents, which means they are destined for a one-way trip to the dump. This cycle of production and disposal highlights the urgent need for sustainable solutions that can replace paper towels in our homes and businesses. Fortunately, there are numerous eco-friendly alternatives that can effectively replace paper towels in our cleaning routines. One of the most popular options is reusable cloths. These can be made from a variety of materials, including cotton, linen, or microfiber, and are designed to be washed and reused multiple times. The benefits of using reusable cloths are manifold. They reduce waste, save money over time, and often perform better than paper towels when it comes to absorbing spills and cleaning surfaces. By simply tossing them in the washing machine after use, individuals can significantly cut down on the amount of waste they generate while still maintaining a clean and hygienic home. Another excellent alternative is bamboo towels, which have gained popularity in recent years for their sustainability and effectiveness. Bamboo is a fast-growing plant that requires minimal resources to cultivate, making it an eco-friendly choice. Bamboo towels are typically reusable and can be washed and dried just like traditional cloths. They are soft, absorbent, and durable, providing a practical solution for those looking to reduce their reliance on paper products. Additionally, bamboo towels can often be composted at the end of their life cycle, further minimizing their environmental impact. Sponge cloths are also a fantastic eco-friendly option. These versatile cleaning tools are made from a mix of cellulose and cotton, making them highly absorbent and ideal for a variety of cleaning tasks. Sponge cloths can be used to wipe down counters, soak up spills, and even clean dishes, all while being machine washable and reusable. They are lightweight, compact, and can last for months with proper care, making them a practical choice for anyone looking to reduce their waste. Much like bamboo towels, sponge cloths can also be composted when they reach the end of their life, providing an additional layer of sustainability. Among these alternatives, reusable cloths stand out as the most effective and practical choice for individuals looking to change their cleaning routines. They can be easily customized to fit various cleaning needs, whether it's a simple kitchen spill or a deep clean of the bathroom. By investing in a set of high-quality reusable cloths, individuals can create a sustainable cleaning kit that not only reduces waste, but also enhances their cleaning efficiency. The transition from paper towels to reusable cloths is seamless. Simply designate specific cloths for different tasks, such as kitchen cleaning, bathroom scrubbing, or dusting. With a little organization, it becomes second nature to reach for a cloth instead of a roll of paper towels. To make the switch even easier, many companies now offer eco-friendly cleaning kits that include a variety of reusable cloths, bamboo towels, and sponge cloths. These kits often come with washing instructions and tips for maximizing the lifespan of the products, making it simple for individuals to adopt more sustainable cleaning habits. By incorporating these eco-friendly options into their daily routines, people can significantly reduce their environmental footprint while still achieving a clean and tidy home. In conclusion, the environmental impact of our cleaning habits cannot be overlooked, especially when considering the staggering amount of paper towel waste generated each year. By understanding the issues tied to the production and disposal of paper towels, we can better appreciate the importance of seeking sustainable alternatives. Reusable cloths, bamboo towels, and sponge cloths offer effective solutions that not only reduce waste but also promote a more eco-friendly lifestyle. Among these options, reusable cloths emerge as the most practical and versatile choice for individuals looking to make a positive change in their cleaning routines. By embracing these alternatives, we can all contribute to a healthier planet, one cleaning task at a time. The choice is clear. Let us prioritize sustainability in our everyday lives and pave the way for a greener future.